Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to block a number or a contact, and the first one is using directly our contact list and the second is using the dialer settings, and of course I will show you both. So let's begin with our contact list. Let's tap on the dialer, go to your contacts and find the contact you'd like to block. Then let's tap on it and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got block numbers option, so simply tap on it and your device is telling you that from now on you won't longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. What's more, you have to decide if you want to report it as a spam. I don't want to, so just untick this option and tap on block. And as you can see, from now on it is blocked. Obviously you can unblock it just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this because I want to check if it will appear on the blacklist. So alright, this is how to block a number using the first option, the first way. And now let me show you the second way, and as I said, it is using the settings. So it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. As you can see here, we've got the block numbers option, so let's tap on it, and this is the blacklist, and this is the number we just added from our contact list, so everything went fine. It appears right here. What's more, we've got the unknown option, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and right now it is active, so your device will block calls from unidentified callers. Here from this step we can also add a number manually, so just tap on add a number, tap on the space, and as you can see here we've got the keypad and we can enter the number, so it don't have to be saved on your contact list. Let's tap on block, and as you can see it is immediately applied to the blacklist, so the same situation from now on, you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Obviously you can unblock it the same way just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tapping on unblock. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.